Hello everyone, my name is Riya Bhagchandani and I have secured All India rank 3rd in the CS professional exams. I would like to thank Mohit Sir and the entire MEPL team for being such a great sport throughout this journey. Mohit Sir's way of teaching, we all are aware, he makes the subject interesting, that helps you to get a good grasp over it, and also the copy notes helps you to revise the subject, and it also helps you to revise the subject one day before the exams. That is, a big trouble for all of us. So yeah, it helps you in that way. And also, to all the aspirants out there, I would just say all the very best. Just believe in yourself, give your best, and everything is possible. So once again, thank you so much and best of luck. Thank you.